Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is already above a level of 4.7 as you can see looking at the chart. Or three things that you have to understand here is that first thing is that we have seen a gap is still pending which is around a level of $3.5. Okay, so if the price move below 3.7, chances of filling this gap can be there. Okay, so first thing. Second thing that you have to understand is that a level of around 3.68 is a strong level. From there a bounce back can be seen. Okay, but if that didn't bounce back, this gap will be filled. Okay, second thing. Third thing that you have to understand here is that a level of around 4.2 is a strong level. Okay, the price is already above this level. If the price comes again toward this level, we can see it can bounce back from this level. But if the price didn't bounce back, we can see it can move towards 3.9, and then we can see it can come again towards this strong point. Okay, third thing. Now what you have to look at this particular level, that if you look at this particular smaller pattern from March of 25, we have seen the price has come down. Now the price has come again to that same level. Okay, the price is already above a level of $4.83. So if the price keep moving above this level, okay, probability will be a very high, it can move towards $4.93. Okay, and this is the level where we have seen there will be a zone breakout. So chances are very high December of 22 we can see the price can rise above this level, because this will be after 3 years, okay, that the price has touched this level. There is a higher chances that the price can go further upside towards a level of 5. Okay, and if the price moving over this level, probability of touching 5.3 is there. Okay, from there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see it will move further upside. This is what we can see. And once the price started coming down, we can see it can come again towards a level of around $4.47, and from there a level of 4.39, then to a level of $4.2. Okay, and if the price didn't bounce back from 4.2, a further fall can be seen. Okay, and if you look at this trend, there is a clear intention and clear pattern is showing towards an upside. So you have to understand, if you are going for a longer view, there is a higher chances of further upside, but you have to understand only at a level of 4.56 that we can see there can be a downfall. If the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 4.37, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level that you have to see that once started falling below 4.2, there is a higher chances of further fall. Okay, but otherwise we can see there can be a rise, a continuous rise. As I've already shown you a dollar index chart, you can check my gold and silver or crude video where I have explained you the dollar index chart. Dollar is index is already above a level of $100. Okay, and they are inversely related. This is what we have seen, because it XNG USD, what we have seen the trading it is now. So when the price of dollar index rises, we see the price of natural comes down. This is what we have seen in the recent year, or what we see in the charts. But sometimes they both moves in same direction. So when the dollar index go down, we see the price of natural gas comes down. Okay, but this is what we see. But market is uncertain. Sometimes they both moves in same direction. So better whenever you start a trade, put your SL, and once you in profit, try to trail the SL. If you are following these two things, then it is very important. You can save your capital also and can profit also, these two things. Now let's see how the prices of natural gas is moving. So suppose if the price sustain above this level, the bigger pattern is showing an upside, and chances of going towards a level of 4.82 can be there, and from there a level of 4.9. And once started moving off this level, because we have seen this in the December of 22, so it is a 3 years, so probability will be high after 4.9 we can see a level of $5. Okay, and once the price touches a level of $5, we can see a level of 5.12, and from there it can move again towards 5.32. From 5.32 we can see a bounce back towards down can come, but if the price didn't come, we can see there will be a further rise. Okay, but suppose if it started coming down, what we can see, remember, till 5.32 we will not see there can be a downfall, but if it started touching this level, it can bounce back. But if the price didn't bounce back, we can see it will move further upside. So suppose if the price started coming down, it can come down again towards a level of $4.65, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards 4.57. And if the price falling below 4.57, a further downfall can be seen towards 4.34. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards $4.27. Okay, and if the price falling below 4.27, a further downfall can be seen towards $4. And if the price fall below $4, a further fall can be seen. Remember that if the price touches a level of 4.2, a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't sustain, we can see level of $4. From there also a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't sustain, a further fall can be there. Okay, and chances of falling further down can be seen towards, if the price started falling below $4, we can see the price can rise to move towards 3.9 and then a further fall towards after 3.8. Remember, there is a hard chance that this gap will be filled towards a level of 3.5. So when the price started falling below 4.2, hard chances it can touch a level of 3.8 and this gap will be filled towards 3.